morning, students. In last class we have discussed about whole numbers, right? You are so thorough with the whole numbers. You come to know that what is the whole numbers and what are the properties of that. Based on that we have solved the exercise. So today we are going to start a new chapter called factors and multiples. So first we will see what is this factors. What is the meaning of factor? What is the definition of factor? Okay. First we will see what are factors. See the number which divides, which exactly divides, the given number the numbers which exactly divides the given number are called the factors of that number. Now see students, what it will tell? The numbers which exactly divides the given number are called the factors of that number. Now see students, so what it is telling? So what the definition is telling? Listen here. I will consider the number 6, right? This 6 can be written as, how this 6 can be written as? This 6 can be written as 1 multiplied by 6, right? Again it can be written as 2 3s. Yes. Now see here 1, 2, 3 and 6 are called factors of 6. Now see here, this is example number 1. This 6 can be written as 1 6s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now listen here, why I have written like this? Here 1, 2, 3 and 6 are called factors of 6 because these numbers will going to divide this number exactly. Now see here, you do here 6 divided by 1, 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 3, okay, 6 divided by 6. So what I written here? The number 1, 2, 3 and 6 are called factors of 6. Why I am calling this as factors of 6? See here, do the division here. 1 6s are 6. 1 6 are 6. I am getting answer 0. It is dividing exactly, no? 6 divided by 1 is 6. In the same fashion, you do 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. What it is? 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. In the same fashion, I will continue here. 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Say here 3 is dividing the 6 completely. Yes or no? Now do 6 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6. Now see here 1, 2, 3 and 6 are called factors of 6 because these numbers are dividing this number completely. Now see everywhere we are getting remainder 0 only. Okay. Then such numbers are called factors. Now see here, that's why the definition, the numbers, which are the numbers here in this example? 1, 2, 3, 6, which exactly divides the given number. Here these numbers 1, 2, 3, 6 are dividing exactly 6. Yes or no? We are getting a remainder 0. Means here number 1, 2, 3, 6 are dividing 6 exactly, completely. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 and 6 are called factors of 6. We will take one more example. Say example number 2. Take 24. Say this 24 can be written as, how this 24 can be written as? 1 24s are, okay? This 24 can be written as 1 24s are 24. Again 2 12s are is 24. 2 12s are is 24. So again see here, 6 4s are, 6 4s are is 24. Yes. Again 3 8s are 24. See here, 1 24s is 24, 2 12s is 24, 3 8s is 24, or you can write like this, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24. Again this, okay, only in this fashion we can write here. Yes or no? See 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24. Again 6 4s are 24. It is same only, right? So this 24 can be written as like this. You can tell me, ma'am, we can write like this also, 6 4s are, but these two are same only, no? You learnt in whole numbers, yes or no? What is that? This is a commutative property of multiplication. Okay, these both are same only. Yes, but the position is changed, but these both are same only. Now tell me, now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are the factors of 24. See here, the factors of 24 are 1. Okay, this 1 will divide this 24 completely. Okay, again 2 is a factor of 24, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 8 is a factor, 12 is a factor, and 24 is also a factor. Now say once more, I will repeat you. This 24 can be written like this. Okay, from here you can find out the factors. Here the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Say why I am telling these numbers as the factor? Because if you do 24 divided by 1, what we are getting? 24. Remainder we are getting 0. If you do 24 divided by 2, we are getting 12. Remainder will be 0. If you do 24 divided by 3, we are getting 8. There we are getting remainder 0. 24 divided by 4, we are getting 6. Quotient 6 we are getting. 24 divided by 6, we are getting quotient 4. 24 divided by 8, we are getting quotient 3. 24 divided by 12, we are getting quotient 2. 24 divided by 24 is 1. Okay. So these numbers are the factors of 24. Say consider one more example. Example number 3. We will take one more, 56. Now this 56, how we can write? This 56 can be written as 151 multiplied by 56 is 56. Yes. Again 2 multiplied by 28. 2 multiplied by 28 is 56. 4 14s is 56. Okay, and it can be written as 7 multiplied by 8. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. Again, we can write in any other way. We can write, that is 56 one side is again 56 only, right? This 56 can be written like this. Yes or no, students? Here 156 is 56, 2 28 is 56, 4 14 is 56, 7 8 is 56. Now see here the factors of 56 are, what are the factors of 56 here? It's a 1 2 4 7 1 2 4 7, okay, 8 28 and 56. Now factors means it should have to be come in your mind the definition only. What is that? I am telling 1 is a factor of 56 means this 1 divide 56 completely. Do the division and see, you know that 56 divided by 1 if you do, quotient you are getting 56, remainder you are getting 0. Now we will check this, okay. Now see here, I am telling here 1 is a factor of 56. 1 is a factor of 56 here. 56 divided by 1 you do. What you are getting the answer? Here 1 is a divisor. 56 is a dividend. 156 is 56. 56 minus 56 is 0. You are getting a remainder 0. Means here this 1 is dividing 56 completely. Therefore, 1 is a factor of 56. Okay, same thing. You do 56 divided by 2. You do 56 divided by 2. Now what is that? 2 is a divisor, 56 is a dividend. So 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. Here 1 is so small, we are taking 6 here. Okay. Now see here 2 how much are 16? 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Here we are getting a remainder 0. Means here 2 is dividing this number completely. Yes. So what answer we got here? 28. Means 2 is also a factor of 56. Like that only you do 56 divided by 4, 56 divided by 7, 56 divided by 8, 56 divided by 28, 56 divided by 56. If you do, means what we can tell here, these are the factors because these numbers are dividing exactly. Now see here only you can see 156 is 56 we are writing. Definitely here 1 and 56 are the factors of 56 because these numbers are dividing this number completely. Here 2 and 28 are the factors of 56 because these number divide this number completely. Same thing 4, 14 are also the factors of 56 because 4 and 14 divides completely 56. Okay, so this is about the factors. Now the next one is multiples. So what is this? Multiples. Next we will see the definition called multiples. Multiples of a number. Multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying the number by a natural number. Now see here, the multiples definitions tells us that what is this multiples? Multiples of a number are obtained by, see how multiples of a numbers are obtaining means are obtained by multiplying the number by a natural number. Here number means whatever we are taking a number, no, by multiplying that number by a natural number. Suppose here, if I ask you what are the multiples of 6, if I ask you what are the multiples of 6, see how we are obtaining, see multiples of a number. I want the multiples of a 6 here. I want the multiples of 6. So what is this multiple? See here, are obtained by multiplying that number, means this number by a natural number. Natural number will start from where, students? Natural number will start from 1, right? See here, if I want a 5 multiples, say 6 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 5. I want 5 multiples of 6. That's why I multiplied up to 5. Now see here, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Okay, I told I want only 5 multiples, that therefore I stopped here only. Okay, so what we can tell here, multiples, 5 multiples of 6 are, what are those? 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. See how we are going to obtain the multiples? It's a simple. Multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying that number by a natural number. Students, see here, if you see this, say what? You have seen these numbers. Yes, it is a table of 6. Yes or no, students? The table of 6, all the tables are multiple of that respective number. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, we are telling. Those are all the multiples of 5. Here it is a 6th table, means it is a multiple of 6. Now if you take 9 table, 9 ones are 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, that is a multiple of 9. Okay, so here you know the tables, right? That tables are respective multiples of that respective number. Suppose 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60 and so on. These are the multiples of 12. Okay, so we will consider one more example here. Say, is it easy now? What is multiples? It's so simple. Say, multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying that number by a natural number. If suppose somebody asks you, what is the multiple of 8? Just what you do, you ask him or her, how much multiples he want. If he told 2 multiples, it's easy. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 8 and 16 are the multiples of 8. What we have to do? Simple, we have to multiply by a natural number. See example 2. Say 24. Say I want 6 multiples of 24. Simple. What we have to do? 24 multiplied by 1, 24 multiplied by 2, 24 multiplied by 3, 24 multiplied by 4, 24 multiplied by 5. I told only how much multiples? I want only 6 multiples, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 means I should have to multiply here by 6. Now see, 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48. Okay, what is 24 threes are? It's 4 threes are 12, 2 3 is 6, 7, 72. 24 4s are 4 4s are here 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 96. 24 5s are 5 4s are here 20, 5 2s are 10, 12, 120, right? What is 24? 6 are 6 4s are here 24, 6 2s are 12, 14. It's 144. Now see here, I told only 6 multiples. I told you to find out the 6 multiples of 24. Okay. We got the 6 multiples of 24. Yes or no? See how we are going to conclude. See here. Here the 6 multiples of 24 are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120 and 144. Now see, I am asking a question. This multiples is there, no? If I want the multiples of 6, if I ask just the question, if I want the multiples of 6, see here, this go on continuing, it will won't end only. Okay, 6 multiplied by 100, 6 multiplied by 101, 102, it is infinite. Yes or no? If you go on multiplying, it will won't stop only. It will stop. No, we don't know where the number will end only, right? Where the natural number will end, we don't know. Means definitely if you go on multiplying the multiples, you are go on getting the answers. Okay, it is infinite. Okay. Now see here, we come to know that what is the factors and multiples. So what is factors? Revise it. Factors means the numbers which exactly divide the given number, then that numbers are called factors of that number. Once more I will tell here. What is factors means the numbers which exactly divide the given number, then that numbers are called the factors of the given number. What is the multiples? Multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying that number by a natural number. Okay. From this, from multiples and from factors, we are going to note some points. Now see my question here. Here factors of, now you are so much thorough, right, about the factors and multiples. Factors of 6 and here multiples of 6. So what are the factors of 6 here? It's 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, these are the factors of 6. Means this number will going to divide this number exactly. Here 1, 2, 3, 6 are factors of 6. So what are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 6, 10. It will go on continuing. It will won't end only. It will won't end only. Now see here, from this we are going to observe something. Better we will take one more example here. Factors of 5. Okay. Multiples of 5. Now say what are the factors of 5? What are the factors of 5? The factors of 5 are 1, 5. Only 1, 5 are the factors of 5. What are the multiples of 5? Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. It will go on continuing. It won't end only. Now see here, from this what you are getting. Now see here student, 1 is a factor of every number. See here, 1 is a factor of every number. You can take anything, 1 is a factor of every number, and that number is also the factor of itself. We can do a conclusion from here. See here, 1 is a factor of every number. Is 1 is a factor of 100? Yes, because 100 divided by 1 is 100, right? See here, 1 is a factor of every number. This is the first point. Second point, see here, the number itself is only a factor. Here 6 is a factor of itself. Here 5 is a factor of itself. Okay, what we have concluded 2 points from here. 1 is a factor of every number, and that number itself is also a factor. And third point here, the factors can be counted. Here the factors can be counted. It is finite. It is finite, right? We can count here. How many factors of 5 are there here? 1, 2. 2 we can count. What are the factors of 6 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many factors of 6 are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can count here. This is a finite. Okay. Now see here, in a multiples of 6, what we can observe? In multiples of 6, what we can observe? It's go on continuing. It won't end only. This is infinite. We can't count the multiples of any number. How many multiples of number are there? We can't count. It is infinite. It will go on continuing. Okay. And multiples of 5 we are getting, see here, multiples of any number we are getting greater or equal to that number. So now we are very thorough in factors and multiples. Okay. Now see here, the next concept we will see, the next definition, that is perfect numbers. So we will see what are the perfect numbers. See, what is this perfect numbers? See here students, a number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. You say, what is this perfect numbers? A number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. Now see what it is telling. We will take one example and we will see. Okay. Now see, I am telling you 6 is a perfect number. I am telling you 6 is a perfect number. Why means here, what is a perfect numbers? A number for which sum of all its factor is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. See here. See, what are the factors of 6 here? The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So these are the factors of what? These are the factors of 6. What is the meaning of factor? Just now we are studying. these numbers are going to divide this number completely. Okay. Sum of all its factor. Here 6 I am telling you what perfect number. Why I am telling here. Here the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now see here, sum of the factors you do. Sum of the factors. Say add this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. What it is? 12. This 12 is nothing but 2 times of 6. Yes or no, students? If you add the factors of 6, you are getting 12. This 12 is nothing but 2 times of 6. 2 times of this number. Yes or no? This is a perfect number. What is a perfect number? A number. Okay? A number for which sum of all its factor. A number for which sum of all its factor is equal to twice the number. Twice this number. This is called a perfect number. So one more example we will see, which is one more number is a perfect number. So like this also one more example we will take. Example 2. 28 is a perfect number. Is a perfect number. See the factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Okay. Now see. Sum of all the factors. Do sum of all the factors, as is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. Okay, add this all. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 14 plus 28. How much it is? 14, 14, 28. Add this. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. It is 56. Okay. So this 56 can be written as 2 multiplied by 28. Yes or no? Now see here. What is the definition for perfect number? A number for which sum of all its factors, say sum of all its factor is equal to twice the number. See here. Twice the number, no, this is nothing but these numbers, this number we are going to call it as a perfect number, because if you take the factors of this and if we add the factors, we are going to get answer 2 multiplied by that number. Okay, this is about perfect numbers. See, we come to know what is the factors and what are multiples, and we also come to know what is the perfect numbers. So now we will see some of the examples based on this. See problems, okay. So write all the factors of 68. You have to write down the factors of 68. See a solution. So this 68 can be written as here. This 68 can be written as 168. Yes or no, student? And 68 can be written as 2 multiplied by 34. Again 68 can be written as 4 multiplied by 70. 4 sevens are 68. Okay. See here. This 68 can be expressed as 1 multiplied by 68 or 2 multiplied by 34, 4 multiplied by 17. Therefore, factors of 68 are, what are the factors of 68? 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. Okay, what are the factors? Factors means, so this number divide this number completely. Okay, this is about the first one. Second one, we will take one more question. Question number 2. Find the factors of 36. See a solution. 36, right? So this 36 can be written as, 36 can be expressed as 1 multiplied by 36. Yes. Again 2 multiplied by 18. 2 8s are how much? 36. Again this can be expressed as 3 12s are. Okay. Again 36 can be expressed as 4 9s are. 4 9s are is 36. Again 36 can be expressed as 6 6s are 36. Okay. See again 36 can be written as anything we have left? No. See here. 4 9s are same as 9 4s are. 6 6s are same as 6 6s are only. 3 multiplied by 12 is same as 12 multiplied by 3. Thus all the factors of 36 are, which are the factors of 36? 1 2 3 4 6 and 36. Four, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36 are the factors of 36. Okay, so this is about, we come to know how to find the factors, right? So next we will see third question. Third one, write first five multiples of 6. See, I told you that how to find the multiple of any number. What we have to do? We have to multiply that number by a natural number. Okay. See how many they are told? They are told to write first 5 multiples of 6. Okay. The required multiples are see 6 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 5. So what are those? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay, the required multiples are 6 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 5. So that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay, so this is about to write first 5 multiples of 6. So next one, so now we will solve exercise 3.1. Now we come to know how to find the multiples and how to find the factors. Now we will solve exercise 3.1 first main. Okay, so here write all the factors, write all the factors of the following numbers. So only I will solve a few one. The remaining you have to solve. Okay, see a solution. Write all the factors of the following numbers, just what we have done now, right? See first one A, that is 24. Factors of 24 we have to find out. So this 24 can be expressed as 124, right? Again 24 can be expressed as 2 12s, right? Again 24 can be expressed as 3 8s. Again 24 can be expressed as 4 6s. Okay, again this can be written as, okay, only this much. Again we are getting anything? No, because here 24 we have written all here. Again is there any possible? No. Say therefore factors of 24 are, so which are the factors? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. These are the factors of what? 24. You have to remember, student, when I tell the factors, you have to remember that these numbers will divide completely. Okay, this number will divide completely 24. That is nothing but a factors. Next C1 we will solve now. C1 21. So this 21 can be expressed as 121s. Again this 21 can be expressed as 3 7s. Okay, again 21 can be expressed as 21. Is there any possible? 1 21s are 21, 3 7s are 21. Is there any possible again? No. Okay, therefore factors of 21 are, what are the factors? 1 3 7 and 21. 1 3 7 and 21. Okay, in the similar way we will solve even, that is 12. So this 12 can be written as, this 12 can be expressed as 1 12s. Yes or no, students? Again this 12 can be written as 2 6s are. Again this 12 can be written as 3 4s are. Is there any again possible? 12 can we express in any other way? No, right? Therefore factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Okay, these are the factors of 12. Next we will go for G1. Say G1, you see 18. Okay, 18 can be expressed as 1 18s are. Again this 18 can be expressed as 2 9s are. Again this 18 can be expressed as 3 6s are 18. Again this 18 can be expressed as, say 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. In 4 table 18 will not come. 5 in 5 tables 18 will not come. In 6 we have written already 6 3s are 18. Okay, only these are the 3 ways we can express. Therefore factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Okay, I1 36. Now see, this 36 can be expressed as 1 36 is a. Again this 36 can be expressed as 2 18s are. Yes or no? Again this 36 can be expressed as 3 12s are. 3 12s are 36. Again this 36 can be expressed as 6 6s are. Okay, again this 36 can be expressed as 4 9s are. Okay, therefore factors of 36 are, what are those? 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 and 36. Okay, so this is about the first main. Now we will see the second main. So second main, write first 5 multiples of A1 5, B 8, C 9. Okay, just now what we have solved. Okay, say only I will solve one problem here, the rest two you have to do it as a homework. Better I will solve C1. Okay, say a solution C1C. What they told? Write first 5 multiples of 9. Okay, see how to write the multiples of 9? We know that we have to multiply it by a natural number. The required multiples of 9 are, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by natural number. Natural number will start from 1. How many they are told? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. Okay. Therefore, first five multiples of 9 are, what are those? 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Okay. Third main we will solve in the next class. Thank you.